In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Claude I. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, what to click, and why an upgrade is required before you can link your Notion workspace to Claude. First, open your preferred browser and head to Claude's new chat page. If you're not signed in, log into your account. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace if you use Claude with a team. This helps ensure any integration you set up later ends up in the right place and follows your organization's policies. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar for the download icon. It typically sits with the main navigation and opens the Downloads and Apps page when you click it. If your window is very narrow, widen it or scroll to reveal the sidebar icons. The download icon may be condensed in smaller layouts. Clicking this will take you to the area where Claude offers desktop apps and, importantly for us, shows planned features related to connectors and integrations. Now here's the key: you have to upgrade to Connect. Notion connectivity is a premium feature, so you'll need a paid plan before the Notion connector becomes available. On the Downloads or Plans page, review the available options and choose the plan that includes connectors. If you're working within an organization, check whether your admin manages upgrades or needs to approve integrations. Many teams lock this down for security and compliance. After your upgrade completes, return to the same area and you'll see the option to connect Notion. When the Notion Connect option appears, the flow will guide you through granting access. A few tips help this go smoothly. Use the least privilege approach by choosing only select pages when prompted by Notion, and explicitly share just the pages or databases you want Claude to reference. If you have multiple Notion workspaces, verify you're authorizing the correct one in the Notion permission screen. Large workspaces may take a few minutes to index after the initial connection, so give it time before expecting full results. You can manage or revoke access anytime from Notion's settings under Connections and from your Claude account's connectors area. If you don't immediately see the Connect option after upgrading, refresh the page or sign out and back in so your new plan entitlements apply. Finally, after the connection is active, try a quick prompt referencing a shared Notion page to confirm everything is working. That's it. Go to Claude, open the Downloads area from the left sidebar, and upgrade so you can connect Notion. Follow the on-screen prompts with the right permissions and you'll be set.